In today's video, we will take out the grille for 2022 Ford Escape. The very first step is we have to take out the complete front bumper.
As always, we will open it from the very bottom, then on the sides, and the final on the top part. So whenever we take out the front bumper, we always lift up the car first. We have a proper jack that has 4 wheels on it. You can see in this process 2 wheels at the front and 2 wheels at the back. But if you're doing it with the normal jack you have in the car, the best practice is to always put the car on parking, because if you do not put the car on parking, the car will most probably fall. And in our case, we are not putting it on parking and still lifting up the car because we have 4 wheels on our jack. But the jack that you have in the car, it doesn't have any wheels. I hope you get the idea. So we are taking out the bumper from underneath, from this side and all the way till the end. You will see this car only has 2 screws. The rest of them came out because of an accident, but in the normal case, if you're opening it, you have to take out all these screws. And no, we are not opening it from this side because this will escalate the process. But in the other end, this is a short process. It only has 4 screws, 2 here, 2 on the other end. But here it has more than 7 to 8 clips, and we are reducing our time work. That's why we are opening it from the back side. We opened from underneath, now we jump onto the side. You will see there are some straightforward clips that we need to take out.
After taking out the plastic molding, these are the two 10mm screws we need to take out from inside of the bumper, and the tool we use is socket wrench with 10mm nut setter.
So these are the two 10mm screws that we took out. We opened the other side, but you would notice the passenger side has a damage, and we cannot show you the process, but it's exactly the same process as of the driver's side. Now we will jump on to the top part.
Notice the spot we took out the screw is slided inside a bracket, and we use door upholstery tool to push it a little upside and slide it outwards. And the same we do on the other end as well. Now it's time to slightly pull the bumper. The very final step is to take out the plug for the fog light and the parking sensors. Once the front bumper is taken out, now we will jump onto the grille. We will take out the top plastic cover first. In order to take out the plastic cover from top, we have to push the plastic cover against these tabs that are right there. The plastic tab needs to be pulled out against all these tabs. Then we will take out the bottom plastic cover, which is right there. Reason why we're taking out this cover, because it is actually holding back the actual tabs of the grille. That's the reason why this plastic cover also needs to be taken out alongside the top plastic cover. Here I'm using a door upholstery remover along with a straight screwdriver. Just replicate the process that I'm doing here in order to pull the plastic cover against the tab. Once the first tab is pulled, pull the edge of the plastic cover upwards and then take out the remaining tabs. This will make the process much easier. Notice again, I'm pulling the plastic cover upwards and then removing the other tabs. In this way, you will notice the tabs are easily being pulled out, makes the process much simple. Notice here we are done with the bottom portion. Now we will jump on to the tabs on the top portion. Here's a snap of a number of tabs from the upper side that also needs to be pulled. We'll show you guys how to take out the first one, and the remaining ones would also need to be taken out the exact same way. I do apologize for the quality of camera work right there, because this spot specifically was very congested and it was very difficult for me to record appropriately. But I could just give you a hint. Once you take out the first tab, just keep the plastic cover upwards, and in this way it will be really helpful for you guys to take out the other tabs. Once you're done, notice there is a plastic rubber holding onto the cover with a clip. Using the door upholstery remover, you can just pull that clip out. But remember, the same clip is actually on the other side as well. So in your case, make sure you take out this clip from both sides. First part of the puzzle is solved and we were able to take out the top plastic cover. Now we will jump on to the bottom plastic cover. Same tool but the different tab. Make sure to pull the plastic cover upwards and then push the tab against the plastic cover. Similar fashion, take out the other tab which is right besides. Pull the plastic cover upwards and then push the tab. Similar to tabs on the other side, we'll take it out using the same process. Now you would notice we have access to take out the actual tabs of the actual grill. Just to let you guys know, we are only pushing the black tabs. We are not pushing the silver tabs. So all these black tabs needs to be pulled out one by one, but not the silver color ones. Whenever you're trying to take out a grill on any car, it's always a good idea to push the tabs from the very edge of the grill. Once you pull the first two tabs from the edge, the remaining tabs would be much simple to be removed. Notice here again we are applying the same process. Keep the grill upwards and then push the tab against it. You would notice the process will become much simple. Once you have removed tabs up until the middle, then come back to the corners once more and then pull 2 or 3 more tabs so that the process could be much more simple. That was the final tab we removed. With that, we are done removing the grill from the front bumper. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.